Hey guys, so in the other shorts you've seen us pull out the old exhaust and show you the new exhaust that's going in. We had to add 2 extra pipes in the middle of there so we can have the O2 sensor, and since it was this big giant muffler, we had to remove that and add a pipe in between it. So here's the new exhaust on the truck. Everything's done to it at the moment. Okay, so fire up the truck. So now we'll see you in the next video where we probably will have it driving down the